The IRS giving taxpayers a ruling to be thankful for. Robert Frank is here, and he has more on that. Hey, Robert.
Good morning, Becky. Well, taxpayers and gig workers who get paid from Venmo, PayPal, and other apps can breathe a sigh of relief, at least for now. The IRS announcing it's delaying a controversial rule that would have required third-party payment services to send 1099 forms to users with more than $600 a year in transactions. Now, this was supposed to apply to 2023 income. The IRS now saying it won't start until 2024. It cited confusion and, quote, feedback from taxpayers and tax professionals and payment processors. And the threshold for 2024 will be $5,000 instead of $600. This is actually the second delay of this law, which was passed in 2021. Taxpayers, the payment companies, and many Republican and Democrats in Congress say it would have targeted low earners and created a lot of confusion. House Ways and Means Chairman Jason Smith saying last week, quote, more Americans who mow lawns or sell concert tickets or use couches through Venmo or PayPal will be scrutinized by the IRS. Now, the rule doesn't change who owes taxes. If you have any taxable income from the apps, you have to pay it regardless of this. But it does affect which of those transactions gets reported to the IRS. So there was already a lot of confusion around this. This creates even more because it's delaying it, but it's creating a new threshold next year of $5,000.
Okay, this is weird because I never thought of it considering me having income coming from this. Our boys basketball team went to an out-of-town tournament. We rented a house. Everybody paid me back on Venmo. Yep. It was more than $600. Would that look like they were paying me income when it was really just them paying me? Because you could have a series of dinners that are more than $600 where everybody pays you back.
That's right.
You foot the bill, but is that going to flag the IRS to then target you?
As long as you labeled it as friends and family and not payment for a business, but people were paying you.
What do you mean label it? Like they just
as long as the people that were paying you, whenever you go on these apps, most of them, is this friends and family or is this paying for a business service?
You're just keeping that for yourself until someone asks you for it. So someone's going to ask you for that eventually?
Now, the question that the IRS had is if you sell a couch on Venmo or baby clothes and people pay you back, or on eBay, or you sell a ticket on StubHub, you have to figure out the cost basis to figure out whether you had a capital gain on selling those baby clothes or selling your couch.
Right, I didn't make
and
any
so
money
that
on
was
any
the
of
part
stuff.
that would have generated millions.
Why would she keep records of that?
It keeps it
in case someday someone's going to ask her about that?
Yeah, they started tracking everything. That's like part of the weird, crazy part.
Anything over $600 for the year would have triggered a 1099 if it wasn't labeled as friends and family.
It would trigger it.
Yeah, that's right, and then it gets reported to the IRS. So, look, eventually the IRS would love Congress to just change this law. It was really poorly written, and effectively they were hoping to get a lot of revenue from it, and there should be a way to tax all of this gray economy revenue that's flowing through these payment apps, but this is not the way to do it.
So often it's one person pays for the dinner and everybody pays that person back.
That's right.
Or something along those lines.
That's right, and that's not taxed.
Right.
But there is a risk that it gets on that 1099.
Accidentally winds up on a 1099.
Yeah, exactly.
All right.